Have you ever wondered how to turn a giant tree into a miniature masterpiece that fits on your tabletop? Welcome to the world of bonsai trees, a practice that originated in the East and has since charmed the globe. Bonsai is more than just growing trees. It's an art form that requires attention, creativity, and patience. By carefully manipulating a tree's growth, one can create a beautiful living sculpture. Bonsai cultivation is not just a hobby, it's a form of living art. Growing a bonsai tree might seem intimidating, but it's a process filled with joy and satisfaction. First, you'll want to select a suitable tree species, one that resonates with your personal aesthetic. Then comes the choice of soil and pot, both critical to your bonsai's health and growth. Pruning is the next step, a delicate task that helps your tree maintain its miniature size and desired shape. But the real magic lies in wiring, a technique used to guide the tree's growth, bending and twisting branches to create a living sculpture. Remember, patience is key in this process. It's not about rushing to an end result, but enjoying the journey. Growing a bonsai tree is a journey of patience and creativity, as each tree is a unique piece of art. Once you've grown your bonsai, how do you ensure it stays healthy and beautiful? It's all about regular watering, good lighting, and occasional fertilization. Remember, not all bonsais are the same. Different species may have unique needs. Repotting is another crucial maintenance aspect. Look for signs like slowed growth or water sitting on the surface. It's a delicate balance of attention and restraint, but get it right, and you're rewarded with a living work of art. With proper care and attention, your bonsai tree can live for many generations. So, what are the key points to remember about bonsai cultivation? Well, it's all about the right tree species, suitable soil, and the perfect pot. Patience is crucial. Regular watering, apt lighting, and occasional fertilization keep your bonsai thriving. Bonsai cultivation is a rewarding hobby that combines the beauty of nature with the satisfaction of creation.